Hello, my name is Eddie McDonald. I'm a chef at Donald Russell. In this film we want to show you how to cook the perfect turkey from Defrosted. This turkey is free-range bronze from the Louis farmers in France. It is a slow-growing breed with a healthy outdoor lifestyle, so you know it's going to taste just delicious. These birds are prepared without giblets, so you've only paid for prime meat. To prepare your turkey for the oven, allow it to come to room temperature for at least 30 minutes. At this point, preheat your fan oven to 220 degrees Celsius. Pat the turkey dry with kitchen paper to remove any excess moisture. Brush the turkey all over with olive oil, then season well with sea salt and some cracked black pepper. I've placed the turkey on a wire rack and into an ovenable tray. Alternatively, you could use some roughly cut vegetables, some onions, some carrots, add a little garlic and some herbs. To this, add a cup of water. This will help to retain some moisture as the bird roasts. Then place it into the oven for the initial 15 minutes. Following the initial 15 minutes, turn the oven down to 170 degrees Celsius and continue to cook the bird for 7 to 9 minutes per 450 grams. Baste the bird occasionally to help maintain moisture as it cooks, and please don't overcook. To baste your turkey and keep it moist and juicy whilst cooking, remove it from the oven, carefully tilt the tray away from you and pour the juices all over the bird. And then return it to the oven to finish cooking. For the final temperature test, check the breast and the thickest part of the thigh. If they both achieve 74 degrees, remove the turkey from the oven. Tip the turkey to drain off any cooking juices. Drain into the tray and reserve this for your gravy. Place the bird on a platter to rest. Cover loosely with foil. You need this to rest for a minimum of 30 minutes. We can go much higher. You could leave that for an hour or more just to let the juices resettle within the bird before carving. Whilst your turkey is resting, use this time to create a beautiful gravy using these roasting juices. You can also use the time to finish your vegetables and side dishes. Now that it is rested, your perfect turkey is ready to carve. We recommend use a very sharp, well-balanced carving knife. Use the fork to support the breast and carve. Look at that, beautifully juicy. There you have it, the perfect turkey. Merry Christmas. For full step-by-step instructions on how to cook the perfect turkey from Defrosted, click here. Merry Christmas everybody.